Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fine and safe. Today I am going to teach you Geography chapter number 1, which is in page number 2, and the name of the chapter is Globes, Maps and Diagrams. So I'll start with the globe first. Let me tell you what is a globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. If we see our earth from the space, it will look just like a globe. What are the things which we can see on a globe? We can see the land masses and water bodies on a globe. These land masses and water bodies are shown with the help of different colors. Water bodies are shown in blue color, whereas land masses are shown in green and yellow color. Globe also help us to locate any place because there are vertical and horizontal lines. Where this vertical and horizontal line meets, that is known as grid. There are certain disadvantages of globe. What are the disadvantages? Let me tell you. The first disadvantage is due to its small size, globe is difficult to read. We cannot read the globe properly because of its small size, because there is no any scale used to make the globe. It does not have enough space to cover finer details of every geographical feature. We can see only the land masses and water bodies on the globe. We cannot see the minor geographical details like plains, plateaus, hills. This cannot be shown on the globe. We cannot carry globe everywhere because it is very bulky and because of its shape. It is round in shape, so we cannot carry it everywhere, as well as it is very bulky or heavy. And globe occupies considerable space. Okay, to keep a globe you need a space, so it also occupies a space. So these were some of the disadvantages of globes. So what we did today, we studied about a globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. We can see the land masses and water bodies on the globe. Land masses are shown in green and yellow color, whereas water bodies are shown in blue color. We also studied about the disadvantages of the globes. What are the disadvantages? Due to small size, it is very difficult to read. Okay, we cannot see the finer details of every geographical features on the globe. Why? Because it doesn't have this enough space. It occupies lots of space and we cannot carry globe everywhere because it is very bulky and it is round in shape. So we cannot carry globe everywhere. To solve this problem, geographers started making map. So what are maps? What are the different types of maps? What are the advantages and disadvantages of the maps? This all I will teach you in my next class. By the time you can go through the topics which I have done today. Okay students, and you have to draw figure 1.1 a globe. Figure 1.1 a globe in your copy. You will use Interleaf copy for your geography. Okay, so till here for today. I will continue in my next class. Thank you children. Stay at home. Stay safe. Goodbye.